The villain ain't rhyming off bread alone. Let her get some cognac, a mic and a headphone. Smoke and mirrors, caught her in the mix. Couldn't read the shorthand for mortars and bricks. If any negative thought lingered, he let it vent. Wrote this one with his middle finger in wet cement. Did it on the slide, before he's gone bye-bye. Spit it on the fly. Brush your teeth, rinse and gargle. A true nerd who messed with new words since Bargle. And use slang and Scrabble. Rhyme with a northern drawl, twang and babble. Flossy pen jargon, break the world record. Do a Forstein bargain and take the girl naked. More spots than a leopard. Then he had to stop, the block was hot peppered. Shepherd, leading the sheeps out to slaughter. Kept it sold and repped it every time he saw ya. Trying to douse a pinch of weed in a frat street house. I'll make mincemeat out of that beat, mouse. Welcome to the show. Remember, whatever you do not boo the flow. School the dumb on the #1 rule of thumb. What a fool, still you never met a cooler bum. Give the drummer some rum, I'm sure he could use a shot just to get his cues hot, so he don't lose his spot. A stranger who speaks to you vocal. Danger made the beat, get a freak to do the vocal. No bull, everything they wanted they grabbed and took. Whole lab looked like an ill left jab and hook. Even had a secretary to take the calls. Shake it and make it fall, I told her don't break my balls. Wherever mouse go, trouble follows. The bounty on his fro was bills and double dollars. Phil spills muddle flows that befuddle scholars. Thick buffalo girl with the bubble hollers. She rocked leather and gold, a fat blouse, and need a brother with soul to let her cat out. Even if the rat couldn't compete with Kraus, I'll make mincemeat out of that beat, mouse. Tap your toe, rhyme and strap for dough. Rap for show to let the whippersnappers know. Sucks to be them, now pass that loop. Up under the tux he wore a hazmat suit. Sounded like Froggy, sipped the groggiest of potions. Be up in the party with the foggiest of notions. On the list of lobbyists for Save the Oceans. Gave his donation to the lady with the lotions. Swole hand itching, the old man bitching. Switching with the fan with the gold band twitching. Spitting like a bionic sneeze that frees vodka. Just to clear the air like the ionic breeze quadra. Slick enough to outslide a fox for a chicken pot pie. Thinking outside the box. Would love to taste her goodie, but got no time to be wasted chasing putty. Out for Daffy Duck, Bugs, Porky Pig paper. Bugs Bunny money, a Sylvester Cat caper. Or for that tape of rap, country, or deep house. I'll make mincemeat out of that beat, mouse. Eating Captain Crunch for lunch, don't get your panties in a bunch. Shorty passed out, we could've put the whammy in the punch. Out of your hunch, we could get set up like Juan Cosby. Sliding off of 3 snowflakes like Tom Bosley. Remember Charlie's Angels? They had to make some changes. 3 broads with burners, these days could get dangerous. Dude you never see will forever remain nameless. 2 of them things black, last one stainless. Don't deal with the devil on a deep level. You see metal and sound off like a tea kettle. Blow the spot up lovely, with no reference to skin color. God don't like ugly. Wise man once said not to showboat. And treat the yacht the same way as the rowboat. The snakes will hang themselves with their own rope. And watch a jewel transform to a known quote.
All I'm trying to do is just make mine. Why sideline riders try to take mine? Cause I shine like the sun, broad daytime. Putting facts to the class and the baseline. All I'm trying to do is just make mine. Why sideline riders try to take mine? Cause I shine like the sun, broad daytime. Putting facts to the class and the baseline.
rock, y'all, between the tick-tock, y'all.
I came out the magnolia like the beetle, the genie or the incense smoke from the church people, mixed with the prayers of the people. Pollination, soprano watch pollination, global recalibration. Rock Nation called it shock waves in the basement. 7,000 kilohertz, with every verse I heal the earth. With every line I drop the tears of man into a cloud and a fine mist until it burst and rain from the brain. Snowflakes with pain, the flow is just so insane. We wondering why you came. Here's a jewel, son. Be yourself. Quit looking like someone else. Get your dignity off the shelf. The truth that I code is stuff to your tool or whatever else. The Asiatic galactic master of the atlas, author of mathematics, civilized the savage, terrorized the clerics first. Big black chief like Robert Paris. I broke the deputy neck while metal face shot the sheriff. Soul rebel in the deadly bout with the double, conquering every level. The best part is where I settle. Spare love through every ghetto plus suburbia. Me over the track as an acquisition and merger. Couldn't be any further. Woke the game up into a fervor that disappeared like the burglar. The style you never heard of. The very premise is murder, but sweeter than the word is. Roam the earth like Bedouins and Berbers. The great ancient door herder emerging through your circle.
Rock, y'all, between the tick-tock, y'all. I know it. Zoom out the vortex to your neocortex. Your guess who spit the rawness as good as vortex. Metal face turtleneck vest, those to support bras. Standard issue for broads, carbon like a sports car. Anybody asked, he retired. Tried to hold a villain to task, he was fired. Fired up, his own boss on strike. Accused of using hot pepper sauce on the mic. Get tossed on a spike, of course, if you like. So be cautious, leave him nauseous as pork sausage. Salami and some bacon and some ham. Plans get mistaken for a scam. Oh damn fam, bless the child roll his own. Don't come ask to respect. Sound wave transform like rumble ratchet eject. It's more secret than Al Gore's wallet. The foul thoughts comic or Star Wars bonnet. That y'all's armpit, darn it. I promise. Lyrics, don't blow it, be heroic. Don't make me tell you again, stay stoic. Nowhere near the radar, way below it. Barely ever what they say they are and they know it. Let them be what they wanna be. Proceed methodically, properly. Some you gotta test periodically. Ironically, as far as humans, loyalty is an oddity. As far as being snakes, though, it probably be 2 out of 3. Make sure the inner heat match the outer heat. Mask on, get that bread, undoubtedly. See the presidential suite on the balcony. Watch how he make it all happen through alchemy. That's unimportant. Levels get deeper. True essence lives behind the mind of the seeker. Curiosity's great for effort, makes you weaker. Relax, just be what's coming out the freaking speaker. Eureka. Yeah, the whole mask thing, really, alright, it's a time in hip hop where things, from my point of view, started going more to what things look like opposed to what things sound like. You know what I mean? Before, we ain't know what MCs look like until we went to the party and seen them rocking, you know what I'm saying? Or seen them, you know, most time you see them rocking at a show before you even knew, you know what I'm saying? Yeah, before video, pre-video, you know, so, you know, you really was going off the sound of the record, straight skills. See, once it started getting more
publicized, and it started being, hip-hop started being more of a money-making thing. Then you get these corporate ideas where you want to put what it looks like to sell what it sounds like. We dealing with music. So what I did was I said, all right, look, I'm gonna come with the angle of, it don't matter what I look like, it don't matter what the artist look like, it's more what the artist sound like. So the mask really represents the whole, like, to rebel against the trying to sell the product as a human being, you know what I mean? It's more of a sound. So, and at the same time, it's something different, you know what I'm saying? And it fits with the theme of the rebel, the villain, where, to him, he don't care about the fame, that shit is no consequence, you know what I mean? It's more